You wondering how to use the eHallpass? Let me show you. First, you search up eHallpass. Then you log in with your Google account. You should see a list of your teachers, or you can even look them up. Here's your destinations, and you can choose where you're going. Once you do that, you just hit submit and wait for approval. Okay, I got the green light. Let's go. See, I don't even need a gross pass. Do you know where there's been? Once I hit go, the clock will start ticking and record the amount of time I'm out of the classroom. Hey, you can't come in here with that. And when you're done, you just hit stop.